Samsung Appliance Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Samsung washer repair, Samsung dryer repair, Samsung refrigerator repair, Samsung freezer repair, Samsung ice maker repair, Samsung ice machine repair, Samsung cooktop repair, Samsung vent hood repair, Samsung range repair, Samsung oven repair, Samsung under counter repair, Samsung trash compactor repair, and Samsung wine cooler repair. No matter what Samsung appliance you have or what's wrong with your appliance, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.